Boom! Think about it. Someone grabbing a quick coffee in a convenience store, could be a person in a wheelchair, service technician setting a brand new coffee machine, or a staff in a busy restaurant. My job is to make our software easy and enjoyable for all of them. My name is Ekaterina. I am a product owner at Franke Coffee Systems. Our coffee machines have a display and I am responsible for the whole user experience on them. So, why new software? It's not about adding just new features. It's about rethinking the whole user experience on the coffee machines. We want to keep it simple and intuitive for newcomers. For first-time users, we want to have it efficient for the pros and just consistent for the whole world. We set out to rethink the daily interaction with the coffee machines, and that's all resulted in a new user interface on our intelligent FrankeOS platform. So our UX strategy is to focus on high friction workflows, coffee machine upkeep, because the device is getting smarter. It sends a lot of notifications and we want to support our users with clear guidance and comprehensive instructions. One of the goals was to achieve a new Franke hygienic standards, so enjoyable, easy and intuitive way of cleaning and correct and proper cleaning of the coffee machines. The most amazing part for our product team was testings with our direct users. We evaluated different scenarios at different premises with different kinds of users. The key point was to collect all these insights. How do people proceed when they are cleaning the machine? So those were our main goals, but in our business is everything about great coffee experience, and we also change drink images so that you can see how your coffee is composed. And my favorite one is Espresso Macchiato. The form, the glass, exactly like on our machines. I love it.